3 easy Christmas gift ideas and holiday gift guide. Hi friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to show you 3 easy Christmas gift ideas to give this holiday season. The first one's going to be T-Motion's tea. I absolutely love their loose teas because not only do they taste amazing, but they also help with emotional well-being and balance. They have the trademark T-Motion's way where it's 3 questions you ask yourself while you're steeping your tea, while you're drinking your tea. You don't even have to drink the tea to do the questions, but I quite frankly do because it's so relaxing. They have flavors like Achieve Clarity, Seek Peace, Find Joy, and all these different ones about joy, peace, strength. I love it. You literally just put a scoop of the loose tea into one of their mesh tea balls or into their sachets, put them into their hot tea. These different flavors will blow your mind, but they also have holiday flavors too. I'm going to link down below in the description a link for their website, but I particularly like their Earl Grey one, the absolute best. It tastes so good, but doing the trademark T-Motion's way, which you can find at tmotionstea.com, is wonderful and super, super helpful for emotional well-being. I can't say enough good things about it, and I do love their travel mug too from tmotionstea.com. So my favorite is Achieve Clarity because I want more clarity in 2021, but maybe you want something, like the strength or the joy one. Okay, the next holiday gift item we have and Christmas gift ideas is Laconico olive oil. They do ship in Virginia. They're based out of Virginia, but they have 500 acres of olive groves in Greece. They're literally harvesting right now the olives. They pick them when they're green, so they're the highest level of antioxidants, which help our hearts. Not only does it taste amazing and they've won international awards, but it's really, really easy to shop their website. I love their bacon extra virgin olive oil, but they do have many other flavors, like a Greek one, a blood orange one, tons of different ones. And our third Christmas gift idea or holiday gift idea is Fresh Jacks. They have a 5-pack, which is great. They have a 10-pack for veggie lovers. I love their Greek seasoning. It's my favorite to make my keto meatballs with. Their salt-free garlic and herb I use for making a sour cream dip. There's lots of great spices, but here's what. It does not have creepy carbs. It is organic. There's no gross chemicals added into it like some other stores have. It's literally clean, fresh ingredients. When you get a bottle of it, you can smell the freshness in it because it's organic and it tastes like that. So I encourage you get the 5-pack, and I do have a 15% off code down below. Brunch Life is also one of my other favorites too. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and check me out on Amazon with my Amazon Live.